Modern Ford Explorer models from 2011 to 2025 are equipped with an electronic parking brake system, also known as EPB. This advanced system replaces traditional manual parking brakes with electronic controls for improved safety and convenience. Before deactivating your electronic parking brake, you must ensure several important conditions are met for safe operation. First, ensure your vehicle is in park for automatic transmissions or neutral for manual transmissions. The engine should be running, or at minimum, the ignition should be in the on position. For safety, make sure you're parked on level ground. The electronic parking brake button is located on the center console, typically near the gear shifter. Look for a button marked with the letter P inside a circle, along with a brake symbol. This button features a distinctive P symbol and may have an indicator light that shows when the parking brake is engaged. Now we'll walk through the step-by-step process to safely deactivate your electronic parking brake. Step 1. Press and hold the EPB button firmly. Don't just tap it, you need to hold it down. Step 2. Continue holding the button for 2 to 3 seconds. You'll know it's working when the parking brake indicator light on your dashboard turns off. Step 3. Listen carefully for a motor sound. This mechanical noise indicates that the brake actuator is releasing the brake pads from the rotors. Step 4. Finally, verify the brake is fully released by gently attempting to roll the vehicle forward or backward. The vehicle should move freely without resistance. Remember, always ensure your vehicle is properly secured and on level ground before releasing the parking brake. The electronic parking brake system is designed for your safety, so follow these steps carefully every time. For Ford Explorer models from 2010 and earlier, the parking brake system is manual rather than electronic. These older models feature two distinct types of manual parking brake systems. There are two main types of manual parking brake systems found in these older Ford Explorers: the foot-operated pedal system and the hand-operated lever system. Each requires a different deactivation procedure. The foot-operated parking brake system uses a pedal located in the driver's footwell. This image shows the typical layout with the parking brake pedal and its released and applied positions. To deactivate a foot-operated parking brake, the process is straightforward, but requires proper technique. For the foot-operated system, first locate the parking brake pedal in the driver's footwell. Press the pedal firmly downward with steady pressure. Then release the pressure completely to disengage the brake. This diagram shows how the foot-operated parking brake connects through cables to the rear brakes. When you press and release the pedal, it operates this cable system to engage and disengage the rear brake shoes. Now let's examine the hand-operated parking brake system, which uses a different mechanism and procedure. The hand-operated parking brake requires a three-step process. First, press the button located on the handle. Next, pull the handle slightly upward while keeping the button pressed. Finally, push the handle down completely to fully disengage the brake. This technical diagram shows the internal components of the hand-operated parking brake lever, including the cam mechanism, lever assembly, and protective boot that work together during the release process. Regardless of which type of manual parking brake your Ford Explorer has, there's one critical safety step you must always perform. Before driving, always verify that the parking brake is completely disengaged. Check that the brake warning light on your dashboard is off. Ensure the vehicle can roll freely when placed in neutral. Listen carefully for any dragging sounds from the rear wheels, which could indicate the brake is still partially engaged. Proper parking brake disengagement is essential for safe driving and prevents damage to your brake system. If you experience any difficulty releasing the parking brake or notice unusual sounds, consult a qualified mechanic immediately.